Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you an interesting thing. Recently I received one Excel file. This Excel file related to surveyor point. Okay, so this one. So this one, the east and north, and they have given the level also. So actually I have to mark this east and north pointing. So you see there's many, around 40 entries. So even 400 entries, we don't have to worry if you know what I'm going to say, what I'm going to teach you now. So once I received, I was unhappy because it will take too much time if I start to point one by one, the normal way. So I learned something very interesting thing. So I'm going to teach you now. So let's go. This we'll change this way. So here, so let's type PO. This PO meaning point. In AutoCAD, if you go PO, enter, this mean point. See, this is point. So this is the command for you. So here I will type equal command and this and it is yeah and we will type this one command and again this again and again this. So if you enter, you will receive something like this. Okay. So let's copy this one up to where I want here, and let's drag this one also up to here. Okay. So let's copy this both. Copy. So go to AutoCAD and here just paste it. That's all. So if you exit and enter, you will see these points correctly coordinated. It's very easy. So let's check one point. So let's make a PS or PUS, not PS, I think. Style, P style, no, P, PT style, I think. PT type, yes. I forgot the command. Let's choose this one so you can see it correctly. So let's zoom in. So DOR. Okay. So this one, again DOR, this one. So you can say 143428. Let's go to the Excel. I think this one 143. I think here 143. Let's go again check. 220143. So this is the one. So let's go home to highlight. Okay, 428. This the one. So this point, let's copy this one again. So we'll go here, AutoCAD. Let's paste it here. It will come. Okay. Okay. So this is the one. 220143 530, and there is 396428.765. So it's all correctly coordinate. So it's very easy. Your work will be very fast.